50K nga salary sa Shopee delivery, kayong mga corporate, 10 years na sa kumpanya, 25K lang. Alam mo, sa nag-comment nito, na-appreciate ko naman yung passion mo to find opportunities outside corporate world. Lalo na kumikita ka ng 50K per month as a delivery. Nakaka-proud yan and nakakatuwa kasi nakahanap ka ng success dyan. Pero importante din na maalala natin na iba-iba tayo yung journey natin, career path natin. May ibang tao na prefer nila yung stability ng corporate job. Lalo na kung align to sa long-term goals nila and career growth at maganda yung benefits na nakuha nila, retirement plans. On the other hand, yung pag-freelance or pagiging self-employed, yes, it gives us flexibility, malaki yung income potential. Kaso may kanyang risk din yan. Walang masyadong benefit, inconsistent yung income, wala kang job security. At the end of the day, as long as it aligns with our personal goal, financial situation, and lifestyle natin, whether corporate work yan, entrepreneurship, or freelancing. Kasi ang susi lang naman is paghahanap ng path na mag-work sa'yo and you continuously learn to improve your financial standing.